Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. Now, when I say we got a good one, we got a good one today. It's a 2025 Jayco Eagle HT, model number 274 FKDS. So let's get started. The length on this Jayco Eagle HT is 34 feet 10 inches. The dry weight is 8,545. And at hitch weight is 1,095 with a GVWR of 10,600.
So guys, let's just start right up here at the front. And speaking of hitches, if you are ever concerned about the safety of your trailer, if you'll hang around to the end of our video, we would like to show you a really great product. That's a trailer hitch lock. I think you're going to love it.
From Proven Industries.
From Proven Industries.
There you go.
All right, right up here you're going to have a power jack. Of course, your propane is going to go behind those little cover right there. Batteries will mount down there. Now coming down the side, this is going to be a front kitchen, so this is going to your storage is going to be a little different on the outside, but your hookups are right here in this little area.
Spray port.
Spray port.
All right.
Yes. Oh, and your tank poles are in here.
Oh, yes.
Looking down the side, this is actually a pretty good sized slide right here. Now your dump area is actually going to be under the slide, so just keep that in mind. It does have rack and pinion slides, both of these. Let's see, Jayco is giving us Trail Star tires. I don't know anything about those, but that's what they are. And down here you've got the Moride CRE 3000 suspension. Now some of your outside storage is going to be right back here. Great place to put your cord.
Tankless water heater.
Yes, tankless water heater. I do wish they had went with the black one on this,
Yeah.
so it would blend in, but there's where your water heater is. Back here
wow.
at the back. Nice storage area back here. Pretty good size, actually.
And this is a 50 amp camper.
50 amp. You see, it is going to be prepped for a backup camera. You do have a ladder so you can access your roof. Now, you do have a receiver hitch down here, but it is not set up for towing, so this is going to be an accessory rack only. Coming on your campsite, you are going to have an outside shower over here. You have got electric stabilizers on here, and your propane quick connect is also right back here. Your power awning is going to be 21 feet, and I love that they give you a bracket in the middle because this is a long awning, so it gives you a little extra support right there. And let's check out the front. So you do have some more storage. You see that you actually have a water filtration system already in place on this one, and cable hookups, power. So yeah, nice little storage area there. Your outside speakers are down low.
Down low. That is awesome.
Where it makes sense, and you've got a light here, and I'm betting that is for your stairs.
Yeah.
I think it is. It's you can't see it out here, but hey, let's go in and take a look.
Let's go.
All right. This is a front kitchen. Now for Jayco Eagle travel trailer,
Yeah.
this is a new floor plan.
Yeah. It's new for
You
Jayco
guys have
Eagle.
probably seen the floor plan before, but for the Eagle, it's new for these guys. So just coming right in the door, you've got some great storage. So that can be just regular storage, or you can use it for your pantry. Your fuses are going to be right down below it.
Oh, all your
controls
stuff
are here, and they give you buttons.
That's cool.
Really nice. And Jayco is really cool about giving you these clocks. I love that.
I like that.
All right, well, let's move right into the kitchen. You're going to have a 12-volt compressor fridge. storage
goodness.
up above it. That's very tall storage. This is a pretty tall unit for a
Yes.
travel trailer.
All right, we got
More storage.
big.
Big microwave, yes. Great spot there for baking sheets. 3-burner cooktop with a matching drawer down below. Now this is not going to have solid surface in here, but they are very nicely done. More storage above.
Yep.
Okay, these are not strutted, so you just might want to keep that in mind.
Oh my.
Big windshield, lots and lots of space up here. So you've got a plug-in on both sides, so you've got great place for your coffee pot or
Wow.
Instapot or any extra little appliances.
And you got the windshield
And a shade. Yeah.
shade.
So you've got this great storage underneath your sink, and you'll notice that your vents are in your cabinetry and not in the floor. Big drawer over here. Now this is going to be an access panel down here. This is going to give you one of those really swanky sinks that we like so much. Has the glass washer, the vegetable waterfall, and a soap dispenser, and all kinds of fun features. Alright, moving into your big slide. You are going to have a table with a storage bench on one side,
Yes.
and the other side is going to have 2 chairs. And they
And
have
these are
yes, they have protective covers over them. Very, very nice. And this table will extend also.
and you've
Right.
got blackout shades
Yes,
throughout.
all the way around. Theater seating here. Got some storage in the middle. Cup holders. Jayco is great about giving you light switches for everything. We just
Yes.
love that. You also are going to have USB ports here. Now, when you take a seat, you're directly in front of your entertainment center. So you've got some pretty good storage up above it. Oh, with an extra shelf in there.
And a plug-in back here.
That is really nice. Nice big TV. This looks like a 42-inch.
I believe you're right.
And for once, you have a little shelf underneath that. You've got this little open spot here. Great place to put your remotes, and an electric fireplace for those cooler mornings.
I think this is their radio system.
Yeah, so you
Yes.
have your A and B.
Yeah, zones.
Mode.
Oh,
Well, that came right on. Okay.
okay.
Bluetooth. Okay.
Turn it off. Turn it
Better
off.
turn that off. Okay.
Let's see. While we're still in here, this is going to have a whisper quiet air in here. And you've got 2 of these good-sized speakers
Yeah.
in the ceiling. And it says MB Quart. I do not know anything about those. I'm going to have to research that type of speaker. Your bathroom is going to have 2 entries.
Hey.
So you've got a... Let me move on over here so we can see this. You do have a radius shower. Normally we're not a big fan, but this one seems to be a pretty decent size.
I think they call this one a 34 by 34 is what the plan says. But
Okay. Well, now Jeremy's 6 feet tall. There is a skylight up there.
there is no problem.
No issue at all with headroom in there. None. They give you a couple of hooks right there, and if you look on the back of the door, you've got another towel bar, and look, your tissue holder is already in place.
And you can lock the door.
And you can lock the door. That doesn't happen on a lot of trailers. You're also going to have a mirrored medicine cabinet over here. It is not backlit. I thought it might be backlit, but it's not.
No.
But it's a very nice size. Your sink down here, and I love that they gave you a contrasting countertop in here. Some good storage underneath the sink. Again, I don't know if I can get it to show up, but your vent is going to be down here in the cabinetry and not in the floor. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn around because there's 2 entries into the restroom, and now we're in the bedroom.
Okay.
That was simple. You are going to have a king-size bed here. This is on a slide. This is a nice deep slide. You've got lights up above. You are going to have a little shelf here on the front on both sides. Again, the blackout shades all the way around in here.
Hey.
Got some storage underneath, and there's your little removable tables that go into the cup holders and a spray board. Guys, I mean, look how much floor space you have in here. This is a lot for a travel trailer. You're going to have 6 drawers down here at the foot of the bed.
Yep.
You do have a second entry for this trailer. Now, if you want to add a TV, it's going to mount right up there. There's all your connections, your plug-ins. You do have a second AC in here. Now, this one is not a whisper quiet air. This is just a standard AC unit in here. Turn it around so you can see this awesome mirror. It's actually 3 doors, so you have 3 sliding doors hanging up here, and you'll see that it is marked on this side. So if you want to do washer and dryer, your dryer will go in this one. Your middle area with hanging and storage, and then your other one. And I'll go ahead and show you guys this, because it is this is access for your washer hookups, so they do cover it up in case you don't want it. Plug in here. Really nice closet here.
This is really sharp.
It is nice. Alright guys, well this one has got lots of room. It's got a lot of great headroom in here. It's a nice tall trailer. And if you're not familiar with the Eagle travel trailers, this is Jayco's highest level of travel trailers. So this is a great one to check out.
All right, everybody. If you like this Jayco Eagle travel trailer, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.
J&A Review is excited to partner with Proven Industries to showcase their trailer coupler locks. Proven Industry makes locks to fit travel trailers, fifth wheels, utility trailers, boat trailers, and more. These products are manufactured out of high-strength, impervious materials. They come with a lifetime warranty, same-day shipping, one key for all locks, and best of all, they are made in the USA. Check out all of their products at www.provenlocks.com or find them on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.